choosing the best laptop for students can feel overwhelming because everyone has different needs. Whether you're a designer, a coder, or just someone who needs a laptop for note-taking and watching videos, the right choice depends on what you do. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I've put together a list of the best student laptops of 2025, considering portability, performance, and budget. Whether you're looking for something affordable or a fully loaded powerhouse, this list has it all. So if you're ready, let's dive in and find the perfect laptop for you. Number 5. Acer Aspire Go 15. Can you really get a laptop that makes life easier for just $300? Meet the Acer Aspire Go 15-inch. The newest addition to the Aspire family is here to help you tackle your daily tasks without breaking the bank. With its simple design and practical features, it's all about getting the job done without any unnecessary hassle. Minimalist but powerful. Powered by an Alder Lake-based Intel processor and UFS storage, the Aspire Go 15 delivers smooth performance for web browsing, emails, and basic work apps. Sure, it uses UFS storage instead of an NVMe SSD, but for everyday tasks, it gets the job done just fine. Who's it for? If you're someone who values simplicity and doesn't need all the bells and whistles, this laptop is made for you. It's perfect for light use and offers a practical solution for those who just want to keep things simple. Bottom line, if you're looking for an affordable laptop that handles the basics without fuss, the Acer Aspire Go 15 is a solid choice. Affordable, functional, and super practical. Do you think the Aspire Go 15 could meet your needs? Let us know in the comments below. Number 4. Dell XPS 13. For those looking for the perfect balance of speed and portability, meet the Dell XPS 13 2024. Equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite processor, this ultrabook sets a new standard for both speed and durability. One of the standout features of this model is its incredible processing power and nearly all-day battery life. Got a busy workday ahead, or maybe a long trip? No need to hunt for an outlet. This device lets you tackle all your tasks with ease. Plus, the screen quality is outstanding, ultra-clear resolution and vibrant colors that keep your eyes glued to the display, whether you're working or watching a movie. The upgraded build quality takes durability and aesthetics to the next level compared to previous models. But as with any great product, there's a downside: limited connectivity options and a premium price tag. Still, for anyone chasing the peak of performance and portability, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. Lenovo YogaBook 9i. Imagine a device that's not just a laptop, but a design marvel that tech enthusiasts dream of owning. Enter the Lenovo YogaBook 9i, a dual-screen laptop that pushes boundaries and takes innovation to the next level. Of course, this cutting-edge design comes with its own quirks. Getting used to a digital touchpad might take a bit of time, and you'll need to remember to carry a few extra accessories. But for those who choose this device, these minor details are barely a concern. Battery life isn't exactly stellar. After all, it's powering 2 high-resolution screens. But that's pretty much expected with a device this powerful. What really stands out is how Lenovo's dual-screen setup avoids the common pitfalls of foldable designs, offering a user experience that feels a step ahead. Sure, the Asus ZenBook Duo might still hold the editor's choice title, but the rise of the Lenovo YogaBook 9i is definitely shaking things up. If you're all about that dual-screen life, Lenovo's got you covered. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Laptop 7. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 7 is perfect for school life. It's super portable and durable, so it's really easy to carry around in your bag. Plus, the battery lasts all day. No need to worry about bringing your charger along. The screen is sharp and bright, and the wide, tactile keyboard and responsive touchpad make it super comfortable to use. Whether you're typing or browsing, it's a smooth experience. The Snapdragon SoC handles daily tasks and even programming with ease. However, the weak integrated GPU isn't great for heavy graphic work, like 3D rendering. Also, ARM-based Windows support might not be fully compatible with all apps, so you'll want to double-check if the programs you use will run smoothly. Some specialized software might not work as well. Overall, the Surface Laptop 7 is a fantastic choice when it comes to functionality and portability. It has everything you need to make your school life easier, and it's compact enough to carry around wherever you go. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air M3. The new MacBook Air M3 isn't just a simple update, it's a device you can't overlook. With the new M3 chip, it takes performance to the next level. Not only does it have impressive CPU power, but it also brings upgrades in graphics and AI. Plus, the battery life is even better than its predecessor. The Retina display is perfect for watching videos, gaming, or getting work done. It also has the slim, practical design you'll recognize from the latest MacBook Pros, with a comfortable keyboard, responsive touchpad, and MagSafe charging. And at just £2.7, it's super easy to carry around wherever you go. Starting at $1,099, it's a solid value when you consider the performance you're getting with that M3 chip. The MacBook Air M3 is the best M3 MacBook you can get for the price.